Most schools lock down their Chromebooks, so students cannot install apps freely. Because of this, getting a VPN on a school Chromebook can feel confusing. But there are still safe and simple methods that work, and this video will walk through each step slowly so nothing feels complicated. Before the tutorial begins, use the link in the description to get NordVPN for a great price. It will help you follow the steps easily because NordVPN works on almost every Chromebook setup. Before starting, it is important to understand why a VPN is useful. A VPN hides your online activity from your school network. It also encrypts your connection so your browsing stays private. Some school networks block certain websites, and a VPN can help with that, but keep in mind that every school has its own rules. This video is only for educational purposes, and it is your responsibility to follow your school guidelines. The first method works if your school allows VPN extensions on the Chrome Web Store. On your Chromebook, open the Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for NordVPN. You will see the official NordVPN Chrome extension. Click on it and add it to Chrome. After installation, click the NordVPN icon near the top right of the browser. Sign into your account, then turn it on. The VPN will start routing your browser traffic through its secure servers. This method protects your Chrome browser traffic and is very quick to set up. If your school has blocked the Chrome Web Store, the next option is to use the NordVPN Android app, but this only works on Chromebooks that support the Google Play Store. To check this, open your Chromebook settings. Look for apps and see if the option for the Play Store is available. If it is, click on it and enable it. Then open the Play Store and search for NordVPN. Install the NordVPN app, just like on an Android phone. Open it, sign in, choose a server, and turn it on. This method protects the entire Chromebook system and gives you strong, full device protection.